2014 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, cruise control, heated driver's seat, compass, heated steering wheel, fog lamps, remote power door locks, power windows. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.